What's going on, guys? Back with another video where today we are back playing Slime Rancher. And if you don't remember from the last episode or video, oh yeah, if you don't remember from the last episode or video, we got these guys, not these guys, no, not these guys, these guys last video. I don't know why this guy is still small, whatever. Yeah, I got these guys last video. Pretty amazing. Is it take that? Thank you very much, game. Alright, I'm gonna feed this to that little guy right. Hey then, amigos, we get it. You're explosive. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm a big boy. Alright. You guys still not told me yet where I should put these little puddle slimes right here. I don't know where to put them. Okay, so I'm gonna like just head to sleep, like go to sleep, I guess, cause like, wait. I'm gonna just like go ahead and feed these guys for now. Because the food is ready anyway, so like, you know, might as well. Nothing more to do at the moment. Wait, did I get all these unlocks or something like that? Yeah, I did, okay. So I did that last episode. What else did I do last episode? What the, why is, wait. If I can even aim, bro, oh my god. Okay. Bro, what am I doing? Bro, stop. No. Okay. Okay. So, I'm actually getting pretty better at this YouTube thing, guys. Like, for real. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna head to sleep. Okay. So, yeah, last video, we got all the upgrades, like all the jetpack upgrades for now. We got these guys all good. We got the music boxes. These guys are music boxes, right? Yep. We got every music boxes. We have all the money we need. You guys are hungry, aren't you? Okay. Why is your food not ready? Oh my god. I might just put the puddle slimes in here. I might just do that. I think it would be the best idea to put them in there. I don't know. I want to put them up here. Out here, you know. Oh wait, that food is ready at least. Thank goodness. Wait. Why is there no, like, food? Oh my god. I'm gonna try this again. Okay. Move. Let me get another one, maybe. Hopefully, it will like regrow. I'm gonna take that. Thank you very much, you guys. You're the best donation. There we go. Come on. Oh. Okay, perfect. All right. So now those are growing again. You guys are not hungry. Hopefully, you guys are definitely gonna be hungry. That got out. So get that. There we go. Alright. Okay, so you know what? Oh, food! There's so much to do in this game, and it's so much time to do. Like, yeah, I have all the time I need. Sorry I've not been uploading in a few weeks. I just had like some technical difficulties and whatnot, but it's all fixed, all good now. I can make like videos, like I can make about 2 videos this week, maybe. Depends. So yeah. Oh my god. Excuse that. I just got a little text message from somebody. Oh my goodness. Too much is happening today, guys. So much and too much. Too much. Okay, I feel like you guys are angry, but you shouldn't be angry, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so I feel like you're hungry, so I'm gonna just. There you go. There you go. So we need 2 more, 3 more, I guess. No. Uneven. Num. Back off. Oh my god. Okay, y'all live a chill as that day, though. Get that back. So what's the thing? Okay, yeah, there's a lot to do. A lot to do, really, honestly. Pause real quick. Alright. So I think what we should do, first of all, is let's like explore or something. I don't know. So we unlock the Indigo Quarry. We unlock the Moss Blanket. Wait, Slime Science is like... Wait, did I unlock that already? Okay, no, I did not unlock the Slime Science yet. And Slime Science is like either 100,000 coins or 10,000 coins. I'm pretty sure it's like 100,000. I gotta check. Okay, 10,000. That's actually pretty cheap. Not gonna lie. I'm like, look at my money right now. Pretty good, guys. Sorry, my hair being like all messed up right now. Like start recording at random and have my hair done. So you know. So yeah, for now I'm gonna put the little puddle slimes in here. Like it's only for now, until like I do more stuff, you know. There you go, buddy. Be happy. Wait, I need to get this boy a toy. Did I even unlock toys yet? Or... I didn't, huh? Look at that. Alright. I'm going here real quick. Okay, ZIMD Rewards Club. Path upgrade, why not? Torch upgrade, why not? And I'm broke. Okay, good to know. Oh, that actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, puddle slime is in there. I need to get the food, or not food, to poop, and sell it. Thank you for your assistance, young man, or woman, or non-binary. I have no idea if slimes have genders. If slimes have genders, excuse me for assuming the gender. I don't know if they do. 10 out of 10 here. Wait, is that food? It is food! Let's go! We got more food! Let's go, boys and girls. Oh, I gotta burp this episode. I forgot. So, burping is gonna be a problem because I have not eaten dinner yet. So, you know, can't really burp if I'm hungry, you know? Oh, okay, that was like not much of a good burp. Then I feel good. I'd rather force that one out. Whatever. Alright. Okay then. Okay then, buddies. Buckaroo. Chill the frick out. Okay. Okay, there's a little problem going on downstairs. Okay, so. So I'm gonna. Okay. So I'm a. Okay, so I'm a. Yeah, so I'm a. Be. Right? Back. And I have returned. Wait, three. Okay. Dang it. Okay, whatever. So. Yeah. Oh. Okay, nope, hang on. Actually not good. Oh, enhanced jetpack thrusters are consuming 20% less energy but produce double the fun. Ooh. Ooh. Okay then. I'm so hungry. This video should be up by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, which is like Friday, I think. So yeah. Okay, so who's Okas? Oh yeah. Alright, here are your Okas. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna collect you guys pip. Gonna get pip. Keep. Pip. Where do you want to lose? Okay then, amigo. We get it! You blow up! Okay. Okay. Collect that a bit. Let bip. Let bip. There you go. Run, run, run! Okay, I almost died. Okay, then never do that again because I will die. Whew. Okay, there we go. Add some more money. Okay. Oh, by the way, Kappa, if you're after this, like Kappa, like I'm on some like super long words in this, like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, or circumstances, or the ions, eons, light years. What other complicated words are there? I don't want to get stopped. I need ads. Other stuff. Okay, other words. So yeah, whatever. It's good. We're fine. We're all fine. Oh, it's all fun and joy, laughter and whatnot. Yo, are you like actually? Ah! Okay, you're hungry. Get it. You're hungry. Numbs. Nummies. There you go, buddy. Are you guys not angry, why? Okay, we good. Just gonna take your peep. There we go. Thank you very much for your services. I very much am pleased for. Oh, what am I doing? I'm very much pleased for the way how you have acted towards me, and I very much appreciate that you are cooperating with me and letting me to take your poop. Very, very kind and generous slimes they are. I would love to have them as a pet. Just one day I will create slimes to become pets in the real world. One day. Let's go. Burnt. Crisp. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Almost at 10,000 already. Hey, just made it to 10K. Oh, okay then, buddy. Time to do some. Oh, there's the other one that was missing. Get in the cage. Hey, someone added too. Hey, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot to buy it. Let's go. The slime science. You unlock the lab, a special expression that will allow you to create gadgets using slime science. Head over to barn to get started. There is a little thing at the back of here. I'm pretty sure there was. Probably did not even exist until I finished the tutorial. Time to get swifty. The barn has all the equipment you need to begin crafting gadgets. Use slime gadgets. Science. Gadgets include useful utiles. To aid in exploring defenses, turns, decorations, and more. Oh, it's still going. The refinery. In order to fabricate gadgets, you'll need resources in your refinery. Try shooting a pole into a refinery, but remember, any resources deposed deposited into refining cannot be restored or removed. Time to head over to back my little area, get a few poops from my babies, and then these guys are not even open to chill. Oh my god, you guys are so annoying. So god, bye. I'm gonna take your guys' poop, thanks. I need it for slime science apparently, which is a thing in this world. Slime science. There we go. And there we go. Alright. I'm still upset, you guys, about that previous world I had before, and it being like all erased. Like I was like so upset, guys. Okay, refinery. Boop. Okay, just gonna put all this in here because why not? I don't know what to do in my life. There we go. All right. Wait, can I open this? Oh, I can't even open. Okay. The builder shop. Oh, okay. Get blueprints. I don't even have money to even get blueprints. Okay, that's wonderful. The fabricator. Once you have bought a blueprint, the fabricator allows you to craft gadgets. Try using resources stored in the refinery. Give it a try. You know, I would give it a try if I had the resources, you know. That'd be quite nice. Toggle gadget mode. By pressing it down on D-pad. Wow. Wow. Okay. Have a look around. Yo, yeah. Okay, so that should be good enough, right, demo? Right. I'm like, come on. Place site. Once you've found a build site, approach it to open the place gadget menu. Then simply select the gadget you wish to place. Haha, you know, I would place a gadget if I only had one. That'd be nice. Okay. I'm gonna end this little clip. 9 minutes. Okie dokie. On the count of 3. 1, 2. And I'm back. Okay. So, oh yeah. Play site. I don't want to, but like I want to, but I can't because I don't have the poop or the money. Anything in general. I wasted all my money trying to buy this. You know, I would place a game if I even have something in place, you know? I would not to rub it in, you know, man? It's like really nice of you guys. I'm gonna take all this, take all your poop, and put it in the refinery, and then use that to do some magical stuff, bro. It'll be unpredictable. Okay then. Look at that. Oh, star mail from Casey. My boy Casey. Okay. I will open that star mail once I place down a machine. Okay, so there we go. Oh my god, I'm so retarded. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No! I didn't even put it all. Okay, whatever, you know what? I already have most of it in there. Might as well. Oh my god. Okay. Puddle slime. I need your poop. Hi, little amigo. How has it been? It's been doing pretty well, huh? Yeah, I don't really mind. You can just chill there for now. You're not even. enjoy your life. I love it. He loves it. Oh my god, slime science is actually pretty complicated, not gonna lie. How much is Puddle Plurt anyways? 64 coins, wow. That's so useful. Wow, I could do so much with that. 64, wow. Sorry man, I'm gonna read it. No, I'm gonna read until the end of the episode video, okay? Okay, it's the morning time. Give me all of this. You're in no game. You're in the dealio game. Give me like 65 of these, you know? If only. Give me that. Give me that. Thank you so much. And give me that. And that. And give me some of this right here. There we go. Come on. Give it all to me. And give me some of this, you know, because I very much appreciate the donation this game has given to me. And y'all should donate to teamtrees.org. It'll be a great help for all the trees. I don't have much of a supporter yet, but yeah, you guys should definitely donate to teamtrees.org. $1 will be able to plant one tiny tree, and we're trying to get to 20 million trees by the end of this year. I'm hoping that we can actually reach that goal, because if you think about it, if one person if each subscriber and Mr. Beast subscribers, if each one of Mr. Beast subscribers donate $1, we can been there right now, but people don't really donate. I can't donate right now, but I definitely would. So I'm suggesting you guys you totally donate. Just go to YouTube channels, tons of them doing donations and whatnot. Definitely do it. I highly recommend it. We gotta reach that 20 mil. Come on, guys. We gotta. Come on. Okay. So now that little speech is over. Okay. So you guys are getting fussy, I think. I don't know. There we go. Got some more money. Oh, love buddy. Okay, never mind. Okay, no. Alright, there we go. Okay, there goes the food. Are you guys hungry? They are hungry. Oh my god. Come on. There we go. Okay. Baby puddle slime! Buddy! Thank you for your donation. Oh my god, okay. You guys should totally watch this not TV series, but a little series, a soon-to-be series, The Has-Been Hotel. It is so good, guys. You actually have to see it, bro. When I first saw it, I'm like, it probably ain't that well, but it's actually freaking amazing. You could tell now a lot of detail and heart and love and whatnot went into making that thing happen. It's so awesome. Actually though. That's me saying that honestly, as honest as possible, saying that it's freaking awesome. And you guys should totally watch it. And yeah, other inspiring stuff that I would say, but I'm too lazy to say. But yeah. So let me just click that. Okay, click that. Okay. There you go. Real kind of y'all, thanks. You guys are gonna kill yourselves, that's what you got. Relax yourself, eh? Relax, oh my god. Jesus Christ. I'm just spamming them all with the freaking impulse wave, I swear to god. They're gonna get me killed, and they're gonna get themselves killed because of the ports. They're gonna die. They're gonna be one dead on the ground and dead. Okay. So, let me get some of this. Come on. Get up! Hurry up! Okay. So... Oh, more food. You already know. Delicious food. Okay. There we go. Give me your guys' okay, you're hungry, aren't you, big boy? You missed. How did you? Thank you. Right. There you go, amigo. Come on. Check it up. Thank you, game. Alright. So it's good that the game is fun and whatnot. Like I totally recommend it to you guys. Like, it's really freaking awesome. Like, I actually love playing this game. Like the little characters in the game are so cute and giddy and whatnot, and I just find the game like so lively. If you even use that word anymore. But I know people be like, oh, you should play more games that are like in this year, you know? But I get that. But I also want to like enjoy myself doing these videos for you guys, you know? Well, you guys enjoy my content as well. I got burp too. Oh god. Dear goodness. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright. There was the money. Now I can finally head over here. And then get to the thing for the other thing, and then, you know, everything else like is all coming together, you know? I'll just play literally everything, because why the heck not? Bee drone! Taking that. I'll take this now. I'll take a Gordo, a Nodus Gordo snare, a special snare that captures a Gordo slime. Bait it with food and wait. Okay. Yeah, that's all I need. Alright. Now I can go into here. Wait, how much do I need to like... Oh god, I need a lot of stuff to make this. Okay. Oh, I need a lot of stuff for these stuff. Alright. Wait, warp tech? Okay, I need a lot of stuff. Alright. So I'll make this. Okay. And then back. Alright. So I made one novice drill, is what I've done. Now, okay, so I know a little good spot where to get like good materials. So like if I head in this direction to the I forgot what's it called. What? Oh my god, wrong thing. Nope, wrong area. Over here. The ranch. Nope, I'm not on the ranch. Alright, what is this? Dry reef. There it is. Alright. So at the dry reef, you would want to go here mainly, and it's like activated here, you know. There we go. See? 12 minutes. Oh, easy. Science class passed. Yeah, that's right. I'm a scientist now, boys and girls. That hurt my throat. Okay, so I don't really need any more money. My hair just... I'm gonna get my hair braided, guys. It's gonna be lit. Okay, so... There's more areas to explore. Wait. Did I explore this? Okay. I did not explore this area yet. Which is surprising. Very surprising. Okay, so... I'm gonna... Look at this. I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out. Alright. Again. So, 6 Oka Okas, and 4 heartbeats. Oh my goodness. Okay, 2. There we go. Alright. Oh! Yay! Oh, hunter port. Hunter ports are actually pretty good. I don't think I've had any hunter slimes yet. Which is really... Alright. Next video, I think I might... Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it for now, okay? Just don't get mad at me. It's just I don't have any use for it yet. And I can't really save it anywhere. It's like, yeah, I can't really do much. I want to end the video, but like there's more to do. I just like I don't want to end the video, but I think I might have to, because like, I don't know what else to do today, you know? Like my main focus is just like do the other one. Well, I'm guessing then for now this video is going to end. Make sure y'all smack that like button. Punch it. Alright, before we end the video, restart mail from Casey. The Death Hike, Casey. Hi B, do you remember when you took me hiking? I still didn't know how serious you were about the whole outdoors thing. Then your idea of a hike just about killed me. I showed up in normal clothes and shoes, and you were decked out and had a pack and gear. It was a nightmare for me. I didn't think it was around the 5 mile mark when I was drenched in sweat and ready to collapse that I realized our ideas of fun were two very different things. Also, you weren't even out of breath then, and I still totally hate you for that. Casey, a little smiley face. Casey and I are like, I cannot do hikes. Can't. Alright. Yeah. Make sure, alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe to this video. Like this video, and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I make new content just like this. And oh, subscribe, not subscribe. Add my new Snapchat account. That'll be down in the description below, or like right here maybe, or like that. I don't know. Add me on Instagram. Name will be like right here, kinda. Name will be down in the description below. What else? Subscribe to my other channel. Name will be down in the description below. What else? But yeah, just add me on my social medias. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my other channel, Star Reactions. I might start uploading on there more often. What else? But yeah. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.